Welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we are going to do a solar light chandelier, crystal chandelier. I purchased the lampshade for 99 cents from a thrift store. You're going to need some Dollar Tree wire. You're going to need some form of crystal dangles. I got these in 144 pack from Amazon. You're going to need some crystals. I got those from Wish. And you're going to need an automatic lantern, solar light lantern feature. Landnics contacted me and asked me if I will review this lantern, solar lantern, and I said sure, because my granddaughters need a night light, so I figured I would make a chandelier out of it. This night light has an on and off switch. It has three levels of brightness. It can be taken apart and used together or separately. It's automatically once you hit that button, it'll come on with the light as far as dawn to dusk. It is a Thor Fire camping lantern with an on and off LED solar light, power rechargeable night light, ultra bright portable camping lights lamp. Great for outdoor hiking, clamming, home use, and more. And so the first thing we had to do was take the price tag off everything. And now I am taking the Dollar Tree wire and I am running it between where the light goes to have a place to hook the solar light. So, and I'm reinforcing it with hot glue. So now I'm just going to sit the lampshade off to the side, and we're going to work with the crystal strands and the crystal drops. We're going to have two different lengths. We're going to have 3 coming from the inside, and we're going to have, I think it's 9 going around the bottom. The bottom is going to be the shorter length, and the inside is going to be the longer length. And I put 4 crystals and 1 drop for the outside, and I think it's 11 crystals and a drop for the inside 3. Now this light runs on solar power, and it would turn off automatically when it's dawn or in a bright place. So now we're going to put the inside beads on first, and all we're going to do is take the hot glue gun and we're going to take the first crystal and some E6000, and we're going to place it on the inside of one of those branches. I don't know, it's not a branch really, but actually we're putting the outer ones on first, and we're using the E6000 and hot glue, and we're going to take them around the perimeter of the bottom. It will actually be the top of the lamp if we was using it in its natural form, but we're not. We're using it upside down. So we're going to continue this process, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the light. It has 3 lighting modes. These solar camping lanterns have low, medium, and high lights modes, meeting all lighting requirements of customers. The light also have hands-free hook design. All make it one ideal lamp for camping, fishing, reading, nightlight, outdoor adventure, and so on. It has a high quality and long lasting battery. These solar lights, night lights, adapt 800 mega amps built-in poly battery. It has up to 10 hours working time at high lighting, 20 hours at medium lighting, and 40 hours at low mode after fully charged. So now that we have all of the crystals at the bottom, we're going to move to the inside, and we're going to attach the three to the three knobs that goes to the center of the light fixture. And we're going to make sure that we put it right in that crease of each handle, I guess you could call it a handle, each handle, so that it will hang nicely. Now you're going to see when you first see all of them up, that the middle strands are not longer than the outer strands. So I'm going to go back in later and I'm going to make them a little bit longer. So we're just going to continue. I'll just let you continue to see that done, and I'll give you a little bit more about the solar light. The indicator will go on red when charging. It goes off when it is fully charged. 8 hours charging will have up to 8 hours working time at low lighting mode. It has a money back guarantee and 18 months hassle-free warranty, and on Amazon Prime is $15.99. And now what we're doing is making the chains. We're making the chains with the crystals as well. We're going to take one strand, which is probably, I think, 36 inches long, and we're going to divide that up into three equal parts, and then we're going to disconnect the 3 equal parts, and we're going to do the attaching the same way we did the rest of our crystals. We're going to place some E6000 and hot glue on them, on the shade, and then we're going to make sure that they're both even and come up. All 3 come up together, and we're going to hook those right where those 3 bars meet at. And that way we're sure to have a even hang. So as you can see, I'm putting the E6000 on, and then I will put the hot glue and then attach the crystals. So once all 3 of the crystal chains are attached to the shade, we're going to bring them up, and we're going to use, I think this is where I show you, we're going to use a piece of an old belt. We used the buckle for it for another project. So what we're going to do is just open up the little leather part that's on the stretchy thing and take that buckle part out, and we're going to take that buckle part and we're going to bend it into a hook. So that's what it looks like when it comes out, and this is what it looks like once the hook is made. And then you're going to take all 3 pieces of the crystal chain, and we're going to place it over the bottom part of the hook, and then we're going to close it in. And guys, just like that, we're almost finished with our chandelier. And as you see, this is the clip where I show you that they're not longer than each other. So here what I'm doing is I'm turning the shade upside down, and I'm reinforcing the 3 hooks, the 3 change thing. I'm sorry guys, but I'm reinforcing the 3 long ones. And so now we're getting ready to hook our light in. And as I told you before, the light can be used just as it is with the softener filter shading on it. And that's how it's going to hook in, right on the wire. And see, it's on. You can see the reflection. It's on now. and then if we move it a certain way, it's going to cut off. So now I want you guys to see it without the shade, and as you can see, it turned off. It automatically turns off and on based on the lighting that you have. And so here it is, guys, the finished product. As you can see, I'm showing you the 3 different levels of it, and the crystals are dangling, and the ones in the middle are longer now, just the way I wanted it. So guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Don't forget to rate this video, comment down below, like this video, share it. And guys, I love you. And you see how beautiful the soft glow is of it, and that's without the shading on it. So it's kind of brighter, as you can see, and the crystals are just gleaming. I love that. And then I'm gonna show you a couple clips with the shade on. So guys, I really hope you like this, and let me know what you think.